Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lainey Rochelle. Come clean with me, as I had a time with this duvet cover trying to put it in the insert. Baby, when I tell you I tried to do it the easy way, they say, it just didn't work out for me. So I will be doing it the old way, how I normally do it, which is just lay it down and stick my cover in the insert and lay it flat and just stick it on through, because rolling it, oh, I had a time. And they make it look so easy, but oh well, I got the job done and it is what it is. And I hope you guys enjoy me cleaning my 2-bedroom 2-bath apartment.